Jimmy Lou here. Are you having problems stripping your wires and cables? Meet the Diablo. Introduce undeniable power in your industry and step it up with the awesome performance of the one and only Diablo 32mm. This machine is red hot, smoking the competition. The Diablo strippers are the most versatile and effective for copper wires, single core wires, multi-core wires, aluminum wires, BX wires, Romex wires, as well as sheet cable wires. The Diablo gets the job done and sets your wire recycling business wickedly apart from the rest. The Diablo 32mm wire stripper features are as follows. Diameter capacity 1.5mm to 32mm. The size is very compact at 58 centimeters by 41 centimeters by 42 centimeters. The machine weighs 67 kilograms. It's powered by a powerful 1500 watt single phase motor that's fully customizable for global distribution. Whether it's 110 volt, 220 volt, 230 volt, 240 volt, or 380 volt. Production is up to 4,500 feet per hour, and it comes with 10 channels, also used for Romex wires. The Diablo is a simple machine to use. Simply place the machine in a sturdy location. Plug it in. Press the on button. Simply insert the cable in the specified entry point and let the machine do the rest. Please, keep your hands clear of any moving gears within the machine. In the event of an emergency, familiarize yourself with the emergency stop button. This will stop the machine immediately. 2mm multi-core Romex. Old school, big money. A lot of this is out there, folks. 4x6 gauge multi-core wire. It's nothing for the Diablo. This is the little stuff, but there's tons of this out there. Good money. 5mm cable wire. Big money in this, folks. 6 gauge wire. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Standard Romex. Heavy industrial Romex. It makes stripping wires just that simple. Thanks, Diablo. And remember, if your cuts are too deep or too shallow, the blades are fully adjustable. Please refer to your owner's manual and always have the machine unplugged when doing such maintenance. Diabolically burning up the competition, count on your Diablo stripper for recycling Romex, wire, cable, and copper. Order your machine easily today. We offer a 1-year warranty in the United States, priced at only $995.95 plus shipping. DHL US shipping is $395.95. And worldwide DHL shipping is $495.95. Looking for that unique business opportunity? We're always looking for distributors, importers, and wholesalers. The Diablo Strippers competition just got burned.